What's up YouTube, it's your boy Justin back with another video, and today we're doing a shoe review over the Jordan 4 Cave Stone. Please do me a big favor, hit the subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below what y'all like about the video, what outfits y'all like, anything. Comment down below. J fan, thank y'all for the returning, thank y'all for the subscribing, the likes, thank y'all for everything. Let's keep growing, keep going up. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok, because I got styling videos in there also. But now we about to jump into the Jordan 4 Cave Stone. Right here is, hey, it's dope. I'm really loving this shoe. Definitely similar to the Travis Scott Friends and Family Jordan 4s. They never released that. They going for like thousands of dollars. So, you know, they kind of like, they similar to them shoes also, that you can tell just by the colorway and everything like that. And I really love the material they use on this Jordan 4. And I love the color. This color is more like a gray, like they say, like a stone color, but it's kind of crazy because in the light it kind of give it like off of like a darkish brown, but it's gray at the same time. But we're gonna go over the shoe, you know, the details and stuff like that. This is a quick overview, then you know we're gonna jump into the outfits. I like to style my shoes so y'all can have, you know, idea what they look like on the feet with an outfit. So for to help y'all, but first let's jump into the box. Stone material, y'all can see, and of course we got the Cave Stone color, the Jordan Flight black symbol on top of the box, as y'all can see. And as we open it up, we just have that same, you know, color splattered paper right there. Then of course we have, like I said, it's very dope. As y'all can see, we had that same color all around the shoe. Check it out, that good material, as y'all can see. Then on the Jordan tongue, as y'all can see right here, we have the Flight in white. The Flight in white, Jordan Man in the black. So it's like the black and gray, dark gray all around the shoe. Of course we got the Nike Air on the back of it, which I love, and I believe that's similar to the Travis Scott too. White on the back, bottom sole with the black, and of course same colors on the back, and the Nike check in black, as y'all can see. But as for the material and everything for the shoe, is definitely dope. The insole is actually the same color also, and they have the black Nike check in the inside. I don't know if y'all can see that, but like I said, these shoes are definitely similar to the Travis Scott Friends and Family. So I definitely think these shoes will sell out. These are set to release on September 6th for $220. So these definitely probably gonna sell out. It ain't been this much talk about them, which I love, because but you never know. They Jordan 4s, they always, Jordan 4s mostly sell out, you know what I'm saying, especially like a color like this. And y'all know, like the neutral colors, and coming up on fall, so this is definitely a perfect shoe for the fall. So I'm not bringing mine out to the fall, you know what I'm saying. Some people might still, you know, rock these, but you know, fall is around the corner, so this is a perfect shoe, perfect release. I love them. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the shoes in the comment section below. Y'all copping, y'all dropping, I mean y'all copping or dropping, y'all let me know. I'm rocking these. Now we finna throw these fits with the shoe, so y'all can be the judge of them in the comments below. Y'all want to see some more fits, follow my Instagram and my TikTok. I know I got a bunch of styling videos on there also, and I thank y'all for tuning into this special video, man. Make sure y'all hit the like for me, hit the subscribe button. Let's get to 20K by the end of this year. I know we can do it. And hey, if you need help styling on any clothes or anything like that, check out my ebook that's in the description too. Go ahead and get that, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace. I'm out.